How to play with a toy, yeah. The rabbit. No,
Lucy?
you see Lucy? Yeah.
Doggy, yeah.
Here. Hi. Yeah, doggy. Look at me.
That lady.
Yeah, Lucy. Can you say Lucy? Lucy.
Puppy's dog.
See? Come here. Come here. Here, get your egg. Come get your egg. No, come get your egg. Here's your egg. You want an egg? Tell her come get her egg.
Go get it.
Nevaeh, come get your egg.
Go get an egg from Nanny.
Look, come get your egg.
From Nanny.
Oh, boy. Find the egg.
That's not a kitty.
Say Lucy.
That's Lucy.
Oh my God, you throwing the egg. Throwing the egg. You gotta learn how to hunt the eggs, not throw them. You'll learn this year.